Let's go. Always have one of these Rambo things. We went through some rounds. I ain't gonna lie, it's a really good gun. Really good gun. Finger off the trigger, point in a safe direction at all times. Safety first, kids.
Yes, kids. Be safe out there.
I shot birdshot before, so I do not know. Wasn't bad at all. Got a headshot though.
Alright, didn't seem that bad.
Yeah. You see the headshot?
Yeah.
Not bad. Alright, now this one's gonna kick a little bit. My hand's already like, oh, what you doing?
She cut it out.
What am I doing though? Ooh! Look at that target. God damn. Look at that target. So I'm guessing the slug is here.
Bird shit.
Yeah, you see the bird shit. Damn, all up here too. Damn, all up here. And then you got the fucking last slug I just